Come with me on a side quest. Make a box out of OSB. Let's go. Wait, not only are you finger jointing OSB, you're doing it with a jigsaw? Oh yeah. Only a dumb idea if it doesn't work. Come back and clean them up. You're just gonna square everything off because done it with a jigsaw. Ta-da! A little bit of fiddling to do, but next piece. Miles off. Back a bit. There you go. Box. I'm just going to cut a piece for the back for some rigidity. So I'll fit it up about as good as it's going to get for all the shit ass OSB we're using. We got it going on. Time to glue. A couple of cowlings, help spread the pressure of the clamps. Pile of clamps, some glue. Not affiliated. Hey. We're going to use that, and eventually some sandpaper. The box has ended up 1 mil taller this side, and I think what's actually happened is I've overcorrected this side and not checked the square this side before I've glued it up. Because it's only about 1 mil, I'm just going to trim it up. I would say for this part at least, done and dusted. It is square now, even though this panel is slightly thinner here. Still got a couple of voids to fill in. But if you want to see what we're going to do with it, you're going to need to subscribe. Or at least remember the name of the channel and come on back.